we delve into the profound understanding that ideas are eternally connected to their source, alongside the empowering notion that consciousness transcends physical boundaries, affirming the continuity of existence beyond death. Through this exploration, you will unlock new possibilities for mental and emotional well-being, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and resilience that enhances everyday life. By recognizing the endless flow of inspiration and the enduring nature of our essence, we aim to cultivate a landscape of healing, happiness, and personal transformation, instilling a deep sense of purpose and connection in every journey.